Hi, I'm Dan Lemke, founder of CE Tools. Welcome to our headquarters here in Pulaski, Tennessee. Today I want to walk you through a couple of our core products and show you how we make things differently, starting with the snapback chalk line. If you've ever used a traditional chalk line, you may already know the problem. The tip doesn't release from the edge of the work surface. That means every snap, you're walking back and forth just to reset it. Our snapback chalk line solves that. The patented releasable tip self-releases from the edge on demand. What that does is cut your steps in half. Fewer steps means less time, less fatigue, and when you're working on a steep sloped roof, it's a major safety improvement. Chalk lines are used for long distances and repeated snaps. When you multiply those removed steps across the duration of a job, the labor savings are tremendous. Time is money, and safety matters.
Hi, I'm Tristan Lemke, Vice President of CE Tools. Today we're going to be looking at the Extreme Duty Tough Towels. Now this isn't a traditional shop towel that just falls apart. This is actually designed as a disposable rag replacement. A traditional shop towel like I have here tears far too easy and leaves too much lint behind to be used for many tasks. That's why for caulking joints or breaking down a carburetor and rebuilding it, most jobs in the trades still use rags. At the end of the day though, you're either taking time and effort to wash this out or you're finally going to throw in the towel. Throwing them away, wasting you time and money. Tough towels on the other hand have all of the durability of a rag with the convenience and disposability of a shop towel. In addition, one feature that they have is with the monodirectional weave, you can actually tear this in one way to give you strong, even strips. Now these can be used for tight spaces or for flossing parts or even as patches to use in ports. And all that is with no lint. Now, behind me you can see an example of the strength of tough towels. It's 2 cinder blocks hanging from one towel. Now that's not even close to what these things can handle. With a tensile strength of up to 260 pounds, it won't tear. It doesn't fall apart, and it's resistant to oil, water, grease, and solvents. It really is made to hold up to real hard work. This is why customers through the trades and consumer markets keep buying tough towels. At CE Tools, everything we design is with a purpose, to solve a problem that actually makes a difference.